Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me the first color edition of the number 64 Porsche Boxster, which is also coincidentally 1:64 scale. Okay, never mind. So anyway, the normal color of this car, if you guys should know, it's gold, and I'm pretty sure it's still in production. So if you like the gold version, then it's pretty easy to get. And well, this silver version right here is the first color and therefore only exists for the first batch of cars produced. So this one was from 2013 right there. So pretty interesting casting this one is. So let's just get into the car right away. So as you can see, it's a pretty classic looking car. You guys should see this model with other brands as well, because it is a really popular Porsche. So I think I have a real toy one and a Hot Wheels one as well, so this one will look nice next to the rest of them. So yeah, pretty interesting. The front headlights right there do have tampos, and the style of paint is different from the rest of the body, even though it's kind of hard to tell because they look pretty much the same. And the front badge right there, the Porsche badge, pretty neatly detailed on, really nicely to scale, unlike some other cars which have the Porsche badge taking up the entire bonnet, which is pretty weird. So for this car, this one is a front boot, I should think, and the rear engine right here, which is Porsche Boxster, really lightly in gray over there. I don't know if you can see it. And we have rear light tampos, so red for those and a space for the number plate. So this car, not too many details on the side and back, even though they did manage to get the side air vent pretty neatly in there, and the door handle all on the single stripe. And well, now moving on, as you can see, the petrol cap is right here, and well, I guess, yeah, sorry for the cut, my phone just ran out of storage space, so I just had to clear some old videos. So anyway, for the interior, this one is an open roof style, and there's no plastic insert for the roof. So there's no plastic roof that comes along with this car, which is pretty annoying because when I display it, I kind of like to have the roof on there, otherwise the entire interior becomes super dusty, and well, it's an interior, so it's really hard to clean out. So anyway, we have it fully detailed right here with your racing seats, a gear stick right in there with probably a shift somewhere on the steering wheel because it's a paddle shift. Yeah, you can probably see it in there. Maybe through the windscreen, the reflection's a bit much. Well, we have a really nicely detailed dashboard right there with some notches, air vents, and a glove box. So I mean, the one good thing about convertibles is that they do have really nicely detailed interiors, much better than all the other cars with roofs. So I mean, pretty nice die-cast. Wait, is it even die-cast? No, it's not even die-cast. The window right here is just alone and not supported by any die-cast. So as you can see, the silver line on the outside matches the body paint exactly, but it's just painted onto the plastic really well. So I guess that's +1 for Tomica on that, because that is really cool. Anyway, moving on to the wheels right here, we have the classic boring racing style wheel with suspension and silver chrome to match the car. For the base right here, we have 2012 and the Porsche Boxster, made in Vietnam, Tomica Tommy. So yeah, I guess that's, well, pretty nicely detailed. For the back right there, no exhaust pipe. Maybe they do after the whatever you call those things. I don't really study the underside of a car, so yeah, I don't really know exactly what every single thing is. I mean, I know the names, but I don't know which part is which, so don't blame me on that. So anyway, I guess that's pretty much it for this review. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.